Hello and welcome to the Unstoppable Indians. Every week we take a journey into the life of an outstanding Indian, a person whose talent, acumen or moral example is transforming India. The best, the finest from every field join me, Manvi Dhillon, on this show to share their life story, their journey to success, some of the knocks along the way, what made them get up and keep going, what makes them an unstoppable Indian. My guest today is Y.C. Deveshwar, Chairman of ITC. Mr. Deveshwar, thank you very much for joining me on the Unstoppable Indians. You know, usually when I'm preparing for an interview, I'm crunching the numbers and looking at the margins and the profitability, but I know in the case of ITC, it's the triple bottom line that I must absorb, I must understand and must digest, right?
Yeah, thank you for actually looking at ITC in that perspective. Very few people look at companies in that manner. And I agree with you that we have three dimensions that we look at very closely, and we believe that together constitutes performance. It is not that every company does not create all these three types of impact, but very few actually disclose the other two impacts, the ecological and the social impact. So we've chosen to do this because we believe that it is important for our company to subserve society and through that means create shareholder value.
You know, you are so firm in your objective of marrying profit with social objectives for ITC. Have you ever questioned that conviction or is it just unwavering?
See, basically, in the long run, the objectives of society and the purpose of society and objectives of business converge. It is unlikely that business can prosper if the society doesn't prosper.
But you know, it's difficult for business to recognize and keep that on the radar all the time.
Now, this is the issue. It is the issue of it is in the long run. And some people say in the long run, all of us are dead. So the issue is how do we begin to reward companies for their long-term orientation in the short run? And in short, how to create this market for good corporate conduct. I think that is a challenge of our society, because you know that, in India particularly, we haven't gotten rid of poverty even after so many years of independence. And now, the threat of global warming is going to exacerbate this problem of poverty. And without mobilizing the corporate sector, without mobilizing business, I do not think any single organ of society on its own, even if it is government, can actually resolve these huge challenges our society faces.
You know, I want to take a kind of step back and ask you this. Your managers at ITC have to perform a dual function. They're looking at the profit motive as well, and they know that they must view themselves as an engine of growth. Do you find that sometimes that responsibility gets onerous, too much of a responsibility on your managers?
Actually, we are trying to build a corporation of the future. So it is a challenging task because you have to compete on the financial dimension, because our financial markets do not reward our other two dimensions. And therefore, it is possible, it is not possible for us to not acknowledge the requirement of the shareholder in the next quarter. So therefore, it is not for every company as of now to embark on a more challenging task of looking after the short-term profit and also taking care of the medium and long term, not only for the company, but also making a positive contribution to societal assets.